everyone, I am Mark Lakbay and I'm gonna share with you some frequently asked questions here on Fun Lifestyle. So for today's vlog, I decided to shoot on an outside door location. It's
Ano daw?
very close to nature. This place is very close to nature, but it is an events
Uy,
place
parang ang
here
ganda
in San
dyan.
Fernando, La Union. It's in Arubayan, Ysabelle, Mameltac, La Union. And before I answer my frequently asked questions, yung mga tinatanong ng mga tao for pag nakikita nila ako for the first time, itutour ko muna kayo dito sa location na to. Samahan niyo ako, dali.
Let's go!
So we are in the entrance of Arubayan, Ysabelle already. Ayan. Ang ganda dito, oh. Very relaxing yung place. It's very serene and very close to nature. And ayun, if you want some fresh breeze, napakalawak ng place for you to relax and unwind. Ayan. So kung matatandaan ninyo, yung Arubayan, Ysabelle, it became known before for the past years for becoming and branding themselves as the world's cheapest Ilocano-Filipino buffet. Ayan. Because they served around 148 pesos per person before na eat all you can, di ba? Saan ka makakaharap ng ganun kamura na buffet sa buong mundo? Pinoy buffet, di ba? But during the pandemic, nakakasad kasi lahat ng business halos lahat ng business biglang bumagsak at isa na dito yung restaurant na ito dati yung Arubayan, Ysabelle. But dahil sa resiliency and pagkamalikhain and kasipagan ng mga Pilipino, gaya ng pamunuan nitong Arubayan, Ysabelle, they shifted to another form of business. Ayan. Ngayon, during the pandemic, nagtitinda na sila ngayon ng halaman at agricultural products. Ayan. So yun, kung makikita nyo pala ngayon na, buwan pa lang. Kitang-kita na natin na napakaraming halaman. And let's take a look at some of the ornamental plants na pinopromote nila dito. Ayan. These ornamental plants are well taken care of by their in-house horticulturist, a specialist in plants. You can find various ornamental plants that you can place in your garden or your very own homes. Arubayan ni Ysabelle provides plants of various shapes, sizes, and color. Plants here are very affordable with reasonable prices depending on your budget. Sa ating mga plantitos and plantitas who are fans of cactus and succulents, they all have them here for you. Aside from these plants, they also sell agricultural products such as eggs, dried fish, and a lot more. They offer locally produced products fresh from the farm. Napakasariwang mga produkto, abot kaya, sulit sa bulsa. So nakita nyo na yung mga bagong paninda at pinagkakaabalahan ng Arubayan Ysabelle. Ito yung mga agricultural products at yung mga ornamental and kung ano-ano pang plants na binibili ng mga fan and addict ngayon, mga plant titos and plant titas. Hello there. Kung kailangan nyo ng mga ganitong bagay, mga ganitong halaman at produkto, bumisita lang kayo dito sa Arubayan Ysabelle. And after touring you to Arubayan Ysabelle, it's time na for our frequently asked questions. Mga bagay na tinatanong sa akin ng mga tao pag nakikita nila ako for the first time. The first question they ask me is, anong pangalan mo? What is your name? I introduce myself usually as Mark because that is my given name. But my full name is Mark Aquino. At home, they call me with my nickname as Mac Mac. And some of my friends call me Marky, Mark, or just Mark. But recently, for the past year, I branded myself on all my social media as Mark Lakbay because I really love to travel. You can follow me with that username at Mark Lakbay. That's MarkLakbay on all my social media accounts, on my Facebook page, on my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, SoundCloud, and even Snapchat, Bigo Live. I have those accounts on social media with my username as Mark Lakbay. Second question they asked me is, ilang taon ka na? What is your age? How old are you? Sa tingin nyo, ilang taon na ba ako? And nagugulat ako pag pinapahulaan ko sa kanila kung ilang taon na ako. Lagi ko yung, pag first time ko nakikilala, tinatanong ko sa kanila pabalik kung sa tingin nyo, ilang taon na ako. And in my at nagugulat din ako.
Wedding
Pero
nga.
bata-bata ko raw.
Totoo ba?
Usually the past 2 weeks, I have omegle. Pag bored ako, I do omegle. And karamihan ng mga nakakausap ko dun, they guessed my age as 18, 20, 22. Another guess, second guess, last one. Before I tell you my
Isa na naman buong kababayan natin ang nakahon sa kahirapan.
real age. You look 18? But my real age is, I'm already 29 years old. I was born in 1991 and I am 29 years old. 1 year more and I'm 30. I had my birthday last April and I'm really happy with my age. But siguro, if people would ask, why do I look young? Because I always have a positive, I often have a positive outlook in life and I usually smile every day. And yun siguro, and tubig, inom ng maraming tubig, kain ng maraming masustansyang pagkain, and exercise. Siguro papabata sa itsura natin. Another important question they always ask me, people get confused a lot about this, is my sexuality. What is your sexuality? Ano ka ba talaga? Lalaki ka ba or babae ka? Or bading ka? Confused din ba kayo? I'm gonna answer that once and for all. This is really getting into my nerves a lot. Why does it matter? Why does it matter when you ask those questions? Does it differ if I'm a girl or a boy when you talk to me? Especially in places that isn't required to tell what my sexuality is, right? But to answer them once and for all, I am a boy. I am a boy who likes boys. I identify myself as a homosexual and I express myself as masculine, but I really love people who are masculine too. Yun, that is me. That is my sexuality. No more questions asked, no more because I often get discriminated by people because I have this build. I often exercise and sabi nila nagpapalaki daw ako ng katawan pero bakit bading ako? Ganun. This is what I wanna express. This is what I want to show to people. And is it bad to love someone who is the same as you? if that is really bad, then what is wrong with me? I guess I don't think that loving other people with the same sexuality as you is wrong. That is what I want to tell everyone who judges me for who I am. Question is, what do I do? Ano ba trabaho mo? Ba't ang dami mong pinupuntahan? Bakit ang dami mong time? Bakit ang dami mong ginagawa? Bakit ang dami mong alam gawin? Ako din, di ko rin alam yung ginagawa ko. Pero napakarami kong ine-explore na mga bagay sa mundo. I currently work as a local legislative staff officer in the city government of San Fernando. I draft ordinances and resolution for my boss, my city councilor, Dr. Ysabelle. And for my pastime during weekends, I also, or after work, I edit stuff like these. I do content creation on all media, photo, videos, marketing materials that people need. I do them, and sometimes I also engage in little businesses like selling food that I cook at home, and I really love to cook and eat. Ganyan. Ayun. And before the pandemic happened, I really love to travel. That is what I do. That's what I earn my money from, if you're asking that. And fifth and final question that people ask me a lot of times is, how do I have this kind of skin? Laging tinatanong yun, bakit daw ang kinis? Pero yun, nagkaroon na ng mga gas-gas lately dahil sa kalasingan, ganyan. Pero yun, laging tinatanong bakit daw ang kinis ng mukha and ng skin ko. The same answer that I'm gonna answer is, be natural siguro. Ayan, uminom ng maraming tubig, hydration siguro, and masusustansyang pagkain, kumain kayo ng ganun. Yun naman siguro yun eh. And exercise, right sleep, right... Hindi ko rin actually alam kung paano ako nagkaroon ng ganito. Kasi the last that I had breakouts, yung mga maraming tagyawat na ganyan, is when I was in high school. And yun, kinukwento ko din pala lagi na during that time that I had breakouts, niliha ko yung mukha ko. So, nag-effort akong sinugatan yung mukhang yun para maging makinis before. But that was 10, 20 years, somewhat 10, 20 years ago already. Pero yun, ngayon ginagamit ko whenever I take a bath normal soap, but I usually don't live without moisturizer on every day. Yun lang siguro yung luho na meron ako, moisturizer. Kaya yan, laging malambot and moist yung face. I hope that answers all the questions in your mind. I am again Mark Lakbay. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!